Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an emoji as a cursor using CSS. Let's get started. I'm making use of the cursor property on the body element, and I'm embedding a SVG image with a text element positioned at coordinate y50. The emoji needs to be added as the content of the text element. If you are on Windows, press down the Windows button and then the dot to add an emoji. Save the file, and here is our emoji as a cursor. Please note that the emoji is not exactly at the cursor position, and therefore you may have difficulty using it in a real scenario to select or click elements. But surely it's a funny thing, and who knows, maybe you'll even find a use for it. Leave me in the comments in what scenario would you use an emoji as a cursor. If you enjoyed this video, consider checking out my other CSS tutorials as well. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.